Can you sharpen your soft pastel pencils using an anti-cutter? The answer is yes. Let's get started. If you are a right-handed person just like me, then hold your pencil with your left hand and the anti-cutter on the other hand. I know sharpening your soft pastel pencil with anti-cutter can be a bit scary if you are not used to. But believe me, it's super satisfying and totally worth it. Place the blade on top of the wood of the pencil where you want to start cutting from. Hold your cutter's blade with the thumb of your left hand and apply a bit of pressure. Then move the blade with your thumb gently towards the pencil's tip and keep cutting. Slowly move the pencil around with your left hand as you cut. After you're done with the wood, then you want to cut your pastel that's inside the wood. Of course, it's up to you how much sharp you want to make your pencil. Just remember not to apply too much pressure so that the pencil lid does not get broken. Again, slowly move your pencil around as you sharpen it. You can go back and touch up the wood where it's needed. Sharpeners are never old and still a very good option when it's come to sharpening your pencils, whether it's a graphite pencil or colored pencils, whatever. Personally, I find it very peaceful and satisfying to do it with an anti-cutter. So thank you very much. I hope that was helpful.